Thank you, dignitaries. It is a pleasure to inform you that the Indian Institute of Architects has initiated the Young Architects of the Year award for each chapter to exceptional young architects who are associated with the Indian Institute of Architects. The young architects are a source of energy, and it is our solemn belief that awarding the best deserving young architects gives an impetus to young professionals and the Institute. I call on the stage the IIA Junior Vice President, Architect Jitendra Mehta, to announce the Young Architect Award nominee and President IIA, Architect C.R. Raju, to felicitate the Young Architect Award nominees for each chapter.
Thank you. Good evening, all. So, here we come to the most awaited moment, and a lot of young architects who have traveled across the country, who has been part of IA activities and has done some exceptional creative work in their professional endeavors also. Last 2 days, I was seeing various technical presentations by fantastic young architects, and those ideas I was discussing with some of my friends that probably this is a new approach of professional practices being set up across the country, and hats off to everyone who has presented, and definitely all the winners of this Young Architect Award. I am sure they will inspire many more in the coming time. And thank you to IIA for constituting this award. So the first winner, I'll read in alphabetical order. The first winner is from Andhra Pradesh chapter, but I think the nomination is not there. So I'll start with Assam chapter, and the winner is Architect Sukanya Das. So, someone who can collect on behalf of Sukanya, maybe I'll request, where is Debatosh ji? Please collect on behalf of Sukanya. Anybody from Assam chapter? Okay, no problem. So when you go to Guwahati for your site visit, please hand it over to her on our behalf. Yeah. Congratulations to Architect Sukanya Das again. Now, third is Architect Anand Kumar from Bihar chapter. Congratulations. I think यार, come on, थोड़ी ताली बजती है. कल अनुराग ने बोला था कि झारखंड स्टाइल में सीटी भी चलती है, तो प्लीज थोड़ी सीटी भी हो जाए. The fourth is from Chandigarh chapter, Architect Komal Preet Singh. Okay, Sanjay will collect on behalf of Architect Komal Preet Singh. Fifth is Chhattisgarh chapter, architect Ravi Jaggi. Congratulations, Ravi. Ravi is very active and is also known for his comparing skills, and he is part of most of the Chhattisgarh chapter programs. Please, please, please.
मैं जानता हूं कि मैं बिना परमिशन के 2 मिनट आप लोगों का ले रहा हूं, बट मैं क्या करूं, इस बेहतरीन यंग आर्किटेक्ट फेस्टिवल के लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करे बगैर रह नहीं सकता। मैं दिल से कहना चाहता हूं फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माय हार्ट, many thanks to IAA Chhattisgarh chapter for giving me this award, and many thanks to IAA national office bearers for initiating and Jharkhand chapter to hold this function. Many thanks. और ज़्यादा कुछ कहे बिना मैं जितेंद्र मेहता सर मुझे थोड़ा से घूर रहे हैं, बट मैं अपनी 2 पंक्तियों के साथ इस प्रोग्राम में आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा। ये लाइन सिर्फ इसलिए है कि मैं बता सकूं और आप लोगों को याद दिला सकूं, समझा सकूं, मेरे बड़ों का आशीर्वाद पा सकूं कि ये हम सबके साथ होता है, आज किसी और के साथ, कल हमारे साथ और आने वाली दूसरी पीढ़ी के साथ। 2 पंक्तियां सुनाता हूं, उम्मीद है आप साथ देंगे। मेरे महफिल में आने से समा रंगीन होता है। देखिए ताली नहीं बजाएंगे तो सुनाने वाले को मजा नहीं आएगा, वो भी लय में। 1 2 3 4। मेरे महफिल में आने से मजा रंगीन होता है, मेरे महफिल में आने से समा रंगीन होता है, सभी के दिल को छूता हूँ मेरा जादू ये होता है, सभी के दिल को छूता हूँ मेरा जादू ये होता है। समझते क्यों नहीं हो तुम जमाने की हकीकत को, और क्या है वो जमाने की हकीकत, क्या है वो सच्चाई जो हमें हर पल हर समय, चाहे हम किसी भी पोस्ट पे रहे, किसी भी ओहदे पे रहे, सफलता की किसी भी शिखर पे क्यों ना बैठे रहे, हमें हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए। ये बात अगर ठीक ठाक समझ में आ जाए और आप लोगों को मजा आए तो तालियों से स्वागत कीजिएगा। समझते क्यों नहीं हो तुम जमाने की हकीकत को, समझते क्यों नहीं हो तुम जमाने की हकीकत को, खड़े हो तुम जहां पर आज कल कोई और होता है, खड़े हो तुम जहां पर आज कल कोई और होता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन।
Thank you, Ravi. That was a real good song. And coming to the next winner from Goa chapter, architect Yatin Fulari. Architect Yatin Fulari is there? Okay, Mangesh, you can collect here. Amit is there now. Amit is there. Yeah, Mangesh, please come. Next is architect Ravi Ramparia from Gujarat chapter. I don't think Ravi is there. Maybe Anand Bhai Tatu, if he is there, can he please connect on his behalf? Anand Bhai Tatu. Okay. So, okay, we move on. Yeah, you want? Okay. Sorry, I thought that. No issues. So, sir, maybe I'll take that award because I know Ravi is from Rajkot and very young dynamic architect, because for one of my project he was also associated with me and I came across, and he has made a very good project in Gandhinagar. I will especially like to mention in front of all the young architects, that was the first project of a public-private partnership railway station project. It was a redevelopment project, and it was done by Ravi. So anyway, sir, I'll be, I'll just take So next is Haryana chapter architect Akshay Goyal. Congratulations, Akshay. Next is Himachal Pradesh chapter architect Amrita Kumari. Architect Amrita Kumari. Nandlal ji, can you please collect on? Yeah. I'm sure these awards will inspire a lot of aspiring young architects in the future. Jammu and Kashmir chapter, we were not able to receive the nominations, so we move on to the host chapter, the star chapter, and very young chapter, architect Anupam Dev. You want to say something, Anupam? Please come.
Thank you, everyone, and it has been a pleasure hosting the YF. It's been a lot of hard work and effort of last 2 months. We have been trying very hard for this event, and thank you, IA, for giving me this award and starting the Young Architects Award. It will inspire everyone coming in future. Thank you.
Hooray! Hooray! For all the winners, hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Now moving to the next chapter, Karnataka chapter, architect Apurva Bose Datta. Okay. So, yeah, Mohanji, can you please collect on her behalf? She is a very good architectural journalist, and she is also working for JIIA and other magazines as well. Congratulations. Next is Kerala chapter, architect Arjun Rajan. Can we have slides of, yeah, thank you. Some real good new architectural vocabularies we have seen in the technical presentations, and they are all coming from Kerala. Great work, thank you. So the next is Madhya Pradesh chapter, architect Vaibhav Singhai. Congratulations, Vaibhav. I think Anand Bhai is here. He just went to his room to, I think Blazer के लिए गए थे आप. So he is here. So I'll request you to please come so that. And the next chapter is the biggest chapter, and the winner from Maharashtra chapter is architect Prateek Hemant Dhanmer. Prateek, you would like to say something? Prateek, would you like to say something on this? We watched your wonderful presentation today. What a great work you are doing, and you are an inspiration for all the young architects. Not only young architects, but not so young architects, like everybody apart from the young architects. Keep doing the good work.
Thanks a lot, IIF, for this opportunity, and also like considering our work and like appreciating it, because this particular thing sometimes make us keep working on what we are believing. And also it will be, like I said, this is not something which belongs to me, it belongs to the entire team with who are working, like all the masons, like Vinita, Shardul, they are not here, so this is Design Chitra, and also like my mom, dad, who believe in me, and like made like it's allowing me to do this kind of a practice where a lot of parents ask how you will earn, but they made me unsatisfaction. Thank you.
Keep that humbleness always there, Prateek. So the next winner is from Northern Chapter. So Northern Chapter we have received, they will be sending, so I think we have not received. The next chapter will come to Orissa Chapter, and the winner is architect Rohit Sharma. Please.
I would like to thank IA Orissa chapter first of all for nominating me, and it's an inspiration for all young architects like us. Yes, IIA headquarters has taken a great initiative. I'd like to dedicate this award to my dad. Thank you.
So the next is Punjab Chapter, architect Pappal Suneja. Sanjay is getting a lot of awards.
Thank you, JVP sir. On behalf of not only Ludhiana Center of Punjab chapter, thanks to Jharkhand chapter for doing this wonderful program. And we have nominated architect Pappal from Ludhiana Center and Punjab chapter, who could not make it today. He is busy in Germany, and probably he is online right now. So he had a special word with me to say thanks to everyone present in the hall, to the National Office Bearers and Jharkhand chapter for these wonderful moments. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
So the next winner, comes from Rajasthan chapter, architect Abhinav Sharma. I like to put upon Abhinav that I am seeing him for last almost 12 years, and he is there working very hard for all the IA programs. And I should say, he was there to support our national team when it went to play the Arcasia Cup in Colombo. So he came on his own. For all the 4 days he was there with the team, taking care of all the players. Hats off to your zeal, Abhinav. You want to say something, Abhinav? Aajo, bolo. Unfortunately, his chapter chairman is suffering from fever, so he could not be part today.
Well, I just want to thank IIA for executing such a wonderful award. Thank you so much.
Next is Tamil Nadu chapter, architect Santosh Shanmungam. Come, Santosh, please.
Firstly, I'd like to share this award with my partner Raja Krishnan, who couldn't be here. And it's all the hard work that we've been doing for the last 10 years. And next, thanks to Jharkhand for hosting such a great event. I think every hospitality, every talk, everything has been spot on, and we enjoyed every bit. All the lectures were very nice, and we felt sometimes belittled by our work. But thanks, and we had a great time here. And then I would like to thank IEA for this award. I think in future it will be more aspiring. We work in major in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So someone like us who could get this award is really inspiring, and looking forward from other people from TN chapter to be here. Thanks everyone. Thanks.
Next is from Telangana chapter, architect Shweta Balasubramani. A big round of applause, please. Shweta, will you like to share some?
Thank you very much, IIA Jharkhand, IIA YAF committee, IIA Telangana, and I think I only want to say I feel so very inspired and so much younger. So big cheers to all of you for putting up such a fantastic show. Thank you.
Next is Uttar Pradesh chapter, architect Rohit Parmar. Rohit, you are there? Yeah. रोहित कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? आइए.
Firstly, thanks IIA for planning and conducting such a beautiful event. Like last 2 days have been very inspiring, like seeing works from different people and meeting people all across the nation. So thank you so much. So at my studio, I keep on telling them that I'm not very content with the kind of work we are doing, but I'm really happy about the progress that we are making. So probably this gives me more and more energy to go forward and do better work. Thank you so much.
Next winner is from Uttarakhand chapter, architect Saurabh Suman. सौरभ जी, आपका स्टेज पर स्वागत है. सौरभ जी, अब मैं आपको आमंत्रित करूंगा कि आप यहाँ पे कृपया पधारिए और 2 शब्द जो है वो हमारे दर्शकों के साथ में साझा कीजिए।
धन्यवाद सर। दर्शक दीर्घा में बैठे हुए मेरे सारे मित्रों, मैं 3 लोगों का नाम लेना चाहूँगा आज इस अवसर पर। सर्वप्रथम मैं अपने चैप्टर के अध्यक्ष शशि मोहन श्रीवास्तव जी का धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, जिन्होंने मुझे इस लायक समझा कि मेरा नाम उन्होंने नामित किया इस अवार्ड के लिए। द्वितीय मैं नाम लेना चाहूँगा दिव्य कुश सर का, जिनके वजह से आज मैं पिछले 2 या 2.5 सालों से IIA के परिवार का एक हिस्सा हूँ। अगर सर से मुलाकात जीवन में नहीं हुई होती तो शायद हम IIA के परिवार का हिस्सा नहीं बने होते। और तृतीय नाम मैं लेना चाहूँगा अपनी वाइफ और फेलो आर्किटेक्ट कनिका का। हमारी एक छोटी सी प्रैक्टिस है हल्द्वानी नैनीताल उत्तराखंड में, और मैं डेली कुछ ना कुछ उनसे सीखता ही हूँ इन टर्म्स ऑफ हाउ द प्रोफेशन हैज़ टू बी टेकन फॉरवर्ड। धन्यवाद।
I should appraise the audience that Saurabh was very instrumental in the formation of Uttarakhand chapter. He did a lot of hard works. So keep continuing doing hard work, Saurabh, for IIA. Thank you. And the next is West Bengal chapter, architect Sujoy Das. Welcome, Sujoy. Apart from being a very good young architect, Sujoy is also a very integral part of our Indian Institute of Architects Premier League also, and he represents West Bengal as a very good cricket player. Sujoy.
Thank you so much, Jitendra sir, and IIA Jharkhand chapter for conducting this such a good event, and thank you my chapter supporters for giving me the votes, and eventually the central IIA team for conducting such a good event. Thank you very much.
So with this, we hope that in future there are going to be lot more participation. Almost this time also we had 90% plus participation, but next time we like to see 100% participation. And I wish to express my gratitude and thanks to all the chapter chairmen who are present over here, that they have taken time, they have formed a process, they have done their evaluation, and they did their selection. And all those selected young architects, definitely you are the torch bearers of IIA in future. So with that, I will rest this award ceremony. Thank you so much.
So this 3 days event, the Young Architects Festival, which all of us are still enjoying, is the result of the hard work of this enthusiastic team of architects of IIA Jharkhand chapter. All of them just managed between their work and site visit to give shape to this extravagant festival. The IIA head office are here to felicitate them and give away the mementos to the organizing committee of the IIA Jharkhand chapter. To give the mementos, I request architect Vilas Avachat, the Vice President IIA, to come ahead. So to start with, the registration team, architect Shalini Das, architect Shalini Das, architect Twisha Kumar, architect Harshita Kachap, and architect Mahima Anshu. The publicity and graphics team, please line up after them. The publicity and graphics team, please line up. architect Saurav Topo, architect Sudhanshu Marandi, please give a big round of applause to this team. This is the registration team. Next in line is the publicity and graphics team, architect Saurav Topo, architect Sudhanshu Marandi, architect Meenal, architect Rohit Tirki, and architect Saket Sagar. After this we have the hospitality team. Please line up, and after the hospitality team, the souvenir committee. So we have this as the publicity and graphics team. After Meenal is architect Rohit Tirki and architect Saket Sagar. Please come up on the stage and please give them a big round of applause. All the graphics that you are seeing here at the background is all done by them. So next we have is the hospitality team. Architect Dev Kumar Raj, architect Anup Kumar Sinha, architect Shikhar Shresht, architect Mukesh Tigga. So here we have architect Anup Sinha, architect Mukesh Tigga, architect Abhishek Singh, and architect Anup Kumar. Please come up on the stage. Please give them a big round of applause. So all the hospitality that you have been enjoying is all managed by them. Here we have on the stage is architect Anup Kumar.
Next we have in the souvenir committee Dr. Smriti Mishra, architect Anila Sureen, architect Apurv Ashish, architect Rizwan Kazmi, architect Arigna Mitra, architect Kumar Abhishek.
Please give them a big round of applause. This was the souvenir committee. This is architect Kumar Abhishek. So one of the backbones of the souvenir committee. So next we have the YAF design competition team, architect Ankit Berry and architect Anusha Sinha. So they manage the entire competition. Architect Anusha Sinha. Next we have is the executive committee of IIA Jharkhand chapter. We begin with architect Amit John Barla, so we have architect Amit John Barla on the stage, architect Akshat Bahel.
Amit has been looking after the entire hospitality, heading the hospitality team. Akshat has been heading the entire exhibition which you have seen, looking after each and every detail. Please give a big hand. Thank you.
Next we have is architect Anupam Deb.
Anupam, as I told you, has been the head of the entire publicity team which managed all the lovely images, the posters, their team. He headed the team. Big round of applause. He with his entire young team did the entire publicity right from last 2 months. Every other day, all Instagram posts, everything handled by them. Then we have Abhishek Gaurav. I'm sure a lot of clapping will come. Day and night, every time he has been chasing up all the council members, everyone for the schedule. He came all the way from Dhanbad. Big round of applause, Abhishek Gaurav. Then we have architect Nalin Goel. He has also been helped in the souvenir committee as well as looking after all the arrangements here. Nalin Goel. Then we have architect Arun Kumar, one of our senior executive committee members. Arunji. He has been continuously guiding the entire executive team in all our executive committee meetings regarding the YAF, how to go about everything. Then we have Nitesh Paulnag. Nitesh has been looking after the sponsorship team, hospitality, everywhere he was there, finance. Please give a big round of applause for Nitesh. Then we have architect Harsh Raj. Harsh is the most young and dynamic. They've been working on as a part of the core team member of the entire publicity. He has been handling that, all events related things also. Harsh. Then I would like to call upon architect Arun Ranjan. He has been heading the registration team and also looking after the hospitality. All you, the last 2 days which you have spent here are the hard work of all these people. And last but not the least, in the executive committee we have architect Preeti Vijay. Every souvenir that you see all around, and every small little detail, the jacket that we all are wearing are all her initiative that she took. And Preeti Vijay, entire registrations. And then in the entire overall coordination, I would like to invite architect Saurabh Sahu, Vice Chairman, who has been continuously monitoring the entire process, the finance, everything. Atul Saraf, Joint Secretary. They took the overall looking into each and every department, making it sure that everything finished right till the end. Architect Anurag Kumar, Joint Secretary. Atul and Anurag have been looking after all the departments continuously. Anurag Kumar has been in fact heading the finance team to get all the sponsors, clients and worked really hard. And the head of our finance. Next, I would like to invite Apur Minj, the head treasurer of the most important role in the festival, a treasurer, head of our finance team, Apur Minj.
So there are a few who had missed the awards, and I request architect Saurav Topo to come up on the stage. He is from the publicity and graphics team. The person who has designed all of these graphics that you see behind. A big round of applause for him. And architect Sudhanshu as well as architect Shikhar Shresht.
And now Sudhanshu, architect Sudhanshu. And
Sakit.
Sakit. And now, the captain of IIA Jharkhand chapter, who has taken, let me share this thing, last 1.5 months. on the WhatsApp group, whatever are the discussions, if some suggestions are there, it is done, I think 4 to 5 hours max, and you see that was the promptness. I'll also request Architect C.R. Raju sir to share his thoughts and on the entire way the YF was organized. A big round of applause for the man himself, Architect Sandeep Jha, and a standing ovation, please. Standing ovation. We have seen the hard work, each and everything, and so well planned event, so well planned, and how the entire team was motivated by him. Last 2 days, I was just observing, everybody knew the task, everybody was on toes, what exactly is his job, and he was running almost so frequently from this venue to that venue, reminding people, telling them what exactly is to come up next, what has to be done. I mean, hats off to you, Sandeep bhai. What a organizational skills. Amazing. Keep it up, bro. I'll request Sandeep bhai to say few things and then Raju sir for his comments on the entire event.
Thank you so much. I just have to say 2 things. I'm extremely overwhelmed by this warmth and affection by everyone. And I must tell you, this is one of the best moments of my life. That's all I have to say. And that's all because of my entire team. I'm really strong. This would not have been possible with myself alone. It's each and every member. Thank you so much.
I will request all the organizing committee members of IIA Jharkhand chapter to please come on the dais. We'll have a group photograph. And I'll also request after that all the winners of the Young Architect Award to please be here so that we can have a group photograph with you guys also. We have all the organizing committee members. Please join us on the dais. Please, Sandeep bhai, you remain here. Everybody, please. I think, please, everyone. We saw a lot of people here. I think some can sit over here. Women can. No. Okay. So this is the executive committee, and after that we will have the entire organizing committee. No. Okay. So Raju sir wants everybody to be here on the dais. Please, you can come up. Idhar aa jao, upar aa jao. I see lot of members standing over there. Can you please come? Yeah, please join us. We can have a third row as well. Some of the young I'll request they can go and sit over there. No, that will be after that. So I'll request all the winners of the Young Architect to please come on the dais. Abhinav, everybody, Abhinav, Vaibhav, all the winners, please. All the winners of the Young Architect Award, please come on the dais. Yeah, you can, okay. That will be better if you think. Everybody, please come. आ जाओ।
Good evening, dignitaries and my fellow architects. I am Ankit Beri, along with Anusha Sinha over here. This time, IIA Jharkhand chapter, as a part of Young Architect Festival, conducted a design competition for young architects and students. This competition was for State Ethnographic Museum and Culture Center. We received participated entries in huge number from all around the nation. The event went through a critical jury panel, members consisting of architects Brijesh Hejal, architect Azmi Wadia, and architect Jitendra Mehta. And now it's time to announce the winner of the design competition.
I would like to call architect Leena Kumar to please come forward and felicitate the winners. We will first felicitate the winners of the students category. In the category of honorable mention, we have Srabista Lahiri and Akanksha Ghosh from PMCA Cuttack, Odisha. They could not come in this event, but we convey them their heartfelt congratulations. Next, we have, for the position of special mention, Riddhi Sharma, Nayantara and Stevenson Barla from BIT Mesha, Ranchi. And for the first position, we have Dipansh Sa, Adarsh Akash and Shritesh Kumar from BIT Mesha. Request them to kindly come up on stage. Dipan Shah, Adarsh Akash and Shritesh Kumar. Big round of applause for them. On behalf of Strabista and Akanka Ghosh, I request Architect Rajkumar Nayak to kindly come forward and take the award. She was from PMCA Cuttack, sorry. Moving forward with the Young Architects category for the position of commendation, we have Architect Jagdish Singh, Architect Riya Ghosh and Architect Anushika Sachin from Madhya Pradesh chapter. I request anybody from the Madhya Pradesh chapter to kindly come forward and take their prize. Now we call the second prize winners. They are Architect Rishabh Chadda, Architect Shruti Soumya and Architect Devanshi Kachchap from Jharkhand chapter. Big round of applause for them. They have been awarded with the prize money of Rs 50,000 along with the mementos and certificates. And the first prize winner in the Young Architect category are Architect Pranjal Kumar, Architect Tanya Shri and Architect Shaista Ghazali. Please come forward. And they are from Jharkhand chapter. Please give them a big round of applause. Along with the certificates, they have been awarded with Rs 75,000 cash prize. Friends, a big round of applause for all the winners. All the winning entries are on exhibit for all of you. You may please have a look. Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am. Our industry partners have supported us to make this event a great success, and to give away the mementos as a token of gratitude, I request Architect Divya Kush, immediate past president, to felicitate the industry partners. First we have the gold partners, RAK Ceramics, Green Lamb, Johnson Johnson Control, Roth Pidilite and Snyder Electric. I kindly request to please line up. RAK Ceramics. Next we have Johnson Control Hitachi, supported by Cool and Care. Next we have Green Lamb, Roth Pidilite and Snyder. In the silver category, we have Timex Bond, we have missed few of the members, and I request a representative from Green Lamb and Roth Pidilite to kindly come forward. Next we have Roth Pidilite. Next we have our silver partners. I think we have missed on few of the members. For now, we'll move with the silver partners. First, we have Timex Bond. Request you to give the memento and the certificate together to the member. Next we have Saint Gobain. Aerolam. Next we have Green Ply. Request a representative from Aerolam to please come forward. After this we have green panel. Next we have Kajaria Ceramics. And A Stone. Thank you. I request architect Divya Kush to take his seat and request architect Ashutosh Agarwal to please come forward and felicitate the exhibition partners. First we have Komerly. Next we have Ultratech. बोले Next we have Kone Elevator. Next we have Gemtech Tensile. Then we have Times Fiber Fill. Next we have Gibeon Build System. After that we have Qton. Next we have Johnson Lifts. Next we have Swastik Tiles. Next we have Becca Windows. Becca UPVC. And next is Jaguar. have missed presenting to Aerolam, I request Aerolam to please come forward and take his memento. Next is Kajaria. Next we have Tribes India. I thank all the sponsors and the exhibition partners. I request the dignitaries to take their seat. Thank you all. And we'll wait for 2 minutes to clear the stage as we start with the next segment. I request everybody to be seated. As we know, next year Young Architects Festival 2022 is going to be hosted by IIA Kerala chapter in Calicut. I request Architect Muhammad Afnan, country representative of Arc Asia Committee of Young Architects and representative of IIA Kerala chapter, to kindly come on stage.
ಪ್ರಣಯ ಮಧುರತೆ ತುಳುಂಬು ಸೂರ್ಯಗಾಧಿ ಪೂಕಳೆ ಸುಮಹೇದಿಯ ಮೀಗಳೇ.
Come, experience the hospitality.
Hi, good evening. Thank you, IAA National Council, for giving us an opportunity to do, the next YAF 2022. About this event, we have no words because Jharkhand chapter has done brilliantly. And in terms of the hospitality, the food, the way they have organized, they have actually created a benchmark. So we hopefully believe that we can also achieve this. And on behalf of IAA Kerala chapter, we welcome all of you from bottom of our heart to experience Young Architecture Festival 2022. Thank you.
Thank you for the invitation. To conclude the event, I humbly request President IIA, Architect C.R. Raju, to come on the dais and share his remarks.
Friends, what an amazing experience it has been for the past 3 days. Right from the day Jharkhand chapter mooted the idea of holding this Young Architects Festival in Ranchi. Can we have some silence, please? It has been a very exciting journey for every member of the Jharkhand chapter. And what better way to experience that? In the last 3 days we could see it's not a small group of people who are doing the event. We could see each and every member of the Jharkhand chapter involved in various organizational capacities. Hats off to each and every member, the volunteers who have been relentlessly working to take care of all the delegates and the speakers. It has been a very enriching experience, not only for us, but for all the volunteers, the entire team. Such opportunities open up the latent skills and talent of each and every member and pave the way for the future leadership development of each and every member of IAA. Leadership is a long journey, and it starts with small events and tasks. Today I can see the bubbling energy of every youngster in Jharkhand chapter. I am sure their skills will pave a very good way in the future for the development of the chapter, the members, and their services to the state of Jharkhand. For any event, there are two aspects apart from the organization team. One is the financial support and management. With the very aggressive and involved planning of the chapter chairman and the team, they were able to put together a very supporting group of sponsors and exhibitors. Let us thank each one of them for supporting this event. Another aspect is the team of volunteers. Apart from the executive committee, the volunteers are the people who do the groundwork. And I am expressing the Indian Institute of Architects wishes and gratitude to each one of them for having taken their time, effort, and consistently been on the job. Because every delegate, whenever they spoke to us, they said there has been a very consistent follow-up from each and every aspect, be it the competition, be it the logistics of travel, the accommodation, picking up from the airport. Each and every aspect has been taken care of exceedingly well. And of course, the cultural part. I think yesterday evening was a highlight of how the tribal, involving the local folk arts is very, very crucial because they need our support, and I appreciate Jharkhand chapter for supporting and inviting such tribals for, and the music was excellent yesterday evening because everybody really enjoyed it, and almost past midnight people were really enjoying that. Now coming to the main program, I think the effort of the Jharkhand chapter, the organizing team and the Young Architects Committee for putting together and inviting architects who are young, who have varied approaches to practice, and we could see from the presentations that the approaches of these different practices have a multi-dimensional approach. They are not all similar. So the variety you have chosen and the way they have presented, I think it is a source of a lot of information and learning for all of us. Thank you for inviting such good speakers from across the country. And moreover, along with the festival, we have initiated this Young Architect Award for each chapter. I have always been of the opinion that young architects across chapters, many of them are doing excellent work. Not only designing buildings, but various other associated, avenues of service for the profession. Many people are involved. They are all our unsung heroes. So this was an opportunity to bring about and come to the fore their talents and thereby recognize them and be a source of inspiration for many young architects in the coming years. As an institution, we have many such ideas to not only encourage youngsters, but in every chapter and center, how we can involve them in the day-to-day activities of the chapter and center, make them part of the organization, and give them opportunities for participation in number of initiatives which can be done by every chapter. If all the members of every chapter can be engaged in some activity or the other, the experience, the membership experience of the members will enhance and giving a sense of belonging to the institution, and that is what we should all strive for. And this year, as I told you, we have initiated the Best Outgoing Student Award for all the students of architecture in the affiliated colleges. And many such initiatives are in the offing because of the intervening pandemic and reluctance on some part of the organizations and other to come forward and taking this forward. This event is the threshold and the beginning of a new era in the Institute's programs in the coming year. Inspired by this offer, there are many chapters vying with each other for conducting the Young Architects Festival. Not only the Young Architects Festival, but also many other programs, National Convention, IAPL, IA Awards, regional conferences. So there has been a very positive upsurge in the intention of every chapter and the members to conduct various programs, and we will be seeing in the next few months a synergy among all chapters and centers where we can really move things forward. The hospitality has been superb. The accommodation, the hall, the arrangements, and managing the time and the venue, and taking care of the comfort of each and every delegate, and of course the mouth-watering food, especially the mutton dishes, which are very specific to Ranchi, I suppose. I have seen everybody enjoying the dishes, which I think very specifically prepared and very authentically done by the chefs of Ranchi. So in every aspect, we have a lot to learn from you, Sandeep Jha. Because every event, every incident gives us new information, new strategies, and others a source of inspiration to do programs better than what we have done. And Kerala chapter has already, I think, presented the next year's YAF request, and then we have approved it yesterday in the council, and we look forward to their, program in the next year. Having said that, let me once again appreciate each and every member of the Jharkhand chapter for the wonderful organization, for hosting the council meeting, for hosting the office bearers and the office bearers meeting, and giving us an opportunity to be here and be part of the program. On behalf of the Indian Institute of Architects, National Council, the office bearers, I profusely thank and appreciate the Jharkhand chapter for done this in style and with full content. The content of the thing has been very good. So, congratulations and best wishes for many, many more such events in the future. Let us all give them a very, very loud round of applause and appreciate the good work of Jharkhand chapter. Thank you.
For the Young Architects Award, we have received the name of, from Northern Chapter, Architect Jensil John. So Jensil was also one of my teammates and a very fantastic cricket player and a very creative architect from Delhi. So I will request Ashutosh Agrawal ji to please come and collect this award on behalf of this thing. Actually the name came a bit late, so there was some confusion. So Northern Chapter, Architect Jensil John. So even Ashutosh ji looks so young. Big round of applause for Architect Jensil John, please. So that was one award left in the Young Architects Award category. Thank you.
Thank you for your very lovely and encouraging words, sir. So, to conclude this valedictory session, before I call on the next architect, I'll just let you know that we have a very interesting session after the valedictory, and we'll begin with the cultural competition after that. And to conclude this valedictory session, I call upon Architect Atul Saraf. He is the Joint Honorary Secretary of IIA Jharkhand Chapter. Atul, please come and take the dais.
Good evening, everyone. Can we hear some noise? Because we need the energy for tonight. Okay, so I'll get the mask removed because I've got a long list of names. I don't want to filter out anyone. So, as the Joint Secretary, it feels immense pleasure to present my gratitude on behalf of Jharkhand Chapter. So 2 days of extravaganza is done and still one to go. I have endless list to thank, but to begin with, my profound gratitude to our IIA President, Architect C.R. Raju, and the entire office bearer, Vice President Architect Vilas Avachad, Junior Vice President Architect Jitendra Mehta, Honorary Treasurer Architect Gyanendra Singh, Joint Honorary Secretaries Architect Leena Kumar and Architect Ashutosh Kumar Agarwal, for giving us this opportunity to host the long-awaited Young Architects Festival 2021. At this moment, I can't miss to thank our immediate past President, Architect Divya Khush, for the formation of this chapter and guiding us from time to time. My sincere thanks to all the council members and the chapter chairpersons from all the states who could make their presence in this program. To add the flavor and the main essence of our program, special thanks to all our speakers, Architect Akshay Hiranjal, Architect Madhav Raman, Architect Anubhav Fatehpuri and Richa Bose, Architect Vinu Daniel, Dr. Shikha Jain, Architect Abhin Chaudhary, Architect Kishal Shah and Architect Monica Shah. Thank you for showing your insights and vision for the theme of YAF. Also, to add the spice and keep us in high spirits, heartfelt thanks to all our performers and artists. You made this event more youthful. This event couldn't have been possible without the technical support, back-end team, graphics team, volunteers, and the BNR Chanakya Hotel team for taking this program seamlessly ahead. Now coming on to the most important and my favorite part, Paisa. As I also as a part of the sponsorship team, really I can't wait to share the prompt responses of all our partners, which they too were having a tough time to support us. As they say, all that glitters is not gold, but all that is gold definitely glitters just like our gold partners. So I'm just naming, and at the end we'll have a round of applause. So Schneider Electric, Johnson Controls, Hitachi Air Conditioning supported by Cool & Care, RAK Ceramics, Roff by Pidilite, Green Lamp. So a golden round of applause for all our gold partners. Thank you. जहाँ सोना है, चांदी भी होना है. And every cloud has a silver lining. And let's thank our silver partners, Greenply Industries, Kajaria Ceramics, Aerolam Limited, Alstom International, Saint Gobain, Green Panel Industries, and Timex Bond. Yeah, you can give it a good. Thank you. At the same, my heartfelt thanks to all our 12 stall partners for making it happen in good numbers and supporting up. Again, a huge round for all our exhibition partners. So the evening is set, is calling again for another happening event. But before that, my personal thanks to all the members of Executive Committee of IIA Jharkhand Chapter, Non-Executive Committee, volunteers, helpers, back-end teams, and there are endless lists who have worked day and night for this program. And can we have applause for all these teams? Thank you all. So this is Architect Atul Saraf signing off. Enjoy the evening, and yes, don't miss tomorrow's outbound event, Patratu Valley. And this is not the end, this is just a beginning. Thank you.